enjoying ourselves in Kashmir. It's a lovely place. We come to Sonmarg. That's my mother-in-law behind me. Say hello. Say hello. See the beautiful nature, snow-capped.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, man. Yo, man.
What's up?
You're nothing up, man. Why that not coming?
No.
No.
I tell you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. See.
Enjoy the scenery, babe.
Yeah. There's a
Habibi,
snow-capped
come to-
mountains for you.
Habibi, come to Sonmarg.
Yeah, we come to Sonmarg. Those are the lush green fir trees for you there. A waterfall. Really an awesome place. One to enjoy. Come to Sonmarg.
Heaven.
Heaven on
This
earth.
is kind of heaven. I'll show you the fishing point.
Yeah.
1 minute. Yes, so this is called fishing point. It is kind of 3 lakes together. The driver told us that we will get some fishes here.
Trouts.
We couldn't see anything.
Trout fishings.
So now we are heading back
Yeah.
to our
Vehicle.
so-called sumo. It is actually eco.
An eco. Then we get down to the Baltal Valley,
Yeah, Baltal Valley. Hey,
Baltal.
Baltal Valley is over.
and where we have to.
Then we go back to our Sonmarg. Then in Sonmarg we go on our Innova And-
to our hotels.
to our good hotel.
Yeah.
Meet you later. Hats
Bye.
off. Bye bye.
Bye.
Signing off.
Yeah.
Vishwa in bracket Iron Man.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
And Vinayak too.
Vinu bro.
Yeah.